Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that has the power to completely reshape your life, not in theory, not someday, but starting right now, the idea of becoming a new version of yourself. A lot of people say they want a better life, a fresh start, a different future, but very few understand the simple truth behind real transformation. Your life will not change until you do. You cannot expect new results while holding on to the same thinking patterns, the same habits, and the same identity that created your current situation. If you want something different, you must become someone different. And that doesn't begin tomorrow or when things feel easier. It begins today with awareness and honesty. The first lesson is accepting something uncomfortable but powerful. Your current version of yourself is the reason for your current results. Most people avoid this truth because it feels heavy, so they look outward instead. They blame circumstances, they blame other people, they blame luck or timing, but they rarely stop and ask themselves the real questions. Is this the life I truly want? Are my daily actions moving me forward or keeping me stuck? Am I growing or simply repeating the same patterns in a comfortable loop? The moment you answer these questions honestly, without excuses, something shifts inside you because awareness creates the opportunity for change. You begin to see that your habits, your thinking, and your behavior have been shaping your reality all along. And if those patterns stay the same, your life will stay the same too. That's why letting go of your old identity is necessary, even though it feels difficult. People often say, "This is just how I am," as if their identity is fixed, but in reality, that's just familiarity speaking, not truth. Comfort feels safe, but it also keeps you where you are. Growth requires discomfort, questioning yourself, and being willing to break patterns that once felt normal. Think about it this way. If someone wants to become stronger physically, they cannot stay inactive and expect change. They must train, struggle, and push beyond what feels easy. The same principle applies to your life. You are not rejecting yourself, you are upgrading yourself. You are not saying you are not good enough. You are saying you can become better, and that belief opens the door to progress. Most people live on autopilot, repeating the same routine every day without awareness, then wondering why nothing improves. But change begins when you start noticing your patterns and taking responsibility for them. A powerful idea to remember is this: if you don't change who you are, you will keep getting what you have. Responsibility gives you control, and control allows you to create change. Moving forward, the next lesson is about habits because your daily actions shape your identity. It's not your goals or your intentions that define you, it's what you do consistently. Many people say they want a new life, yet they keep repeating the same behaviors, wasting time, avoiding discipline, delaying action, and expecting different outcomes. But life doesn't work that way. If your habits remain unchanged, your results will remain unchanged. Breaking habits is challenging because they feel comfortable and familiar, even when they are harmful. The mind naturally prefers ease, which is why people stay stuck. But growth always comes with discomfort, and if you're not willing to feel it, you won't progress. The key is understanding that transformation doesn't happen through one big decision. It happens through small, consistent actions repeated daily. You don't become a new person overnight, you become a new person one habit at a time. If you wake up late, adjust your timing gradually. If you spend hours distracted, reduce that time step by step. If you avoid responsibility, begin with small tasks and build consistency. Another powerful strategy is replacement instead of removal. When you try to stop a habit completely, your mind often returns to it, but when you replace it with something better, change becomes easier. Instead of wasting time, invest it. Instead of consuming random content, focus on learning something useful. Over time, these small changes reshape your behavior. Your environment also plays a huge role in your habits. If distractions surround you, you will struggle to focus. If negativity surrounds you, your mindset will reflect that. That's why controlling your environment matters. It silently influences your actions every day. Discipline becomes the foundation here because motivation is temporary. Some days you feel driven, other days you don't. But discipline is what keeps you moving regardless of how you feel. Discipline means showing up, doing the work, and staying consistent even when it's hard. And as you continue, something powerful happens. You begin to feel different, think differently, and act differently. Your identity starts shifting. You are no longer your old self, you are building a new one through your actions. A strong line to carry with you is this: you don't change your life in one day, you change your habits daily, and your life follows. That's the process. Slow but powerful, simple but effective. And as you continue applying these principles, you'll notice that real transformation is not about sudden change, but about consistent effort that compounds over time into a completely new version of you. Now let's go deeper into transformation by focusing on your mindset, because even if you change your habits, if your thinking stays the same, you will eventually return to your old patterns. Your mindset controls everything: your decisions, your reactions, your confidence, and ultimately, your results. Many people try to improve their lives externally by changing routines or setting goals, but internally they still think the same way, and that's why their progress doesn't last. Your current mindset was built over time through experiences, influences, and repeated beliefs. Somewhere along the way, you may have started believing things like, I'm not capable, this is too difficult, or I might fail, and these thoughts slowly became your limits. But here's the truth: these are not facts, they are beliefs, and beliefs can be changed. Transformation begins when you question your thoughts instead of accepting them automatically. When a negative thought appears, pause and ask yourself if it is actually true or just fear trying to keep you safe. Because your mind often prefers safety over growth, it pushes you to stay in your comfort zone. But growth exists outside of that comfort. Instead of thinking, what if I fail? Start asking, what if I succeed? And instead of saying, I can't, begin saying, I will learn how. This shift redirects your focus from problems to solutions. The way you interpret challenges also matters. A weak mindset sees difficulty as a reason to quit, while a strong mindset sees it as an opportunity to grow. The situation doesn't change, but your response does, and that changes everything. Training your mind is just as important as training your body. What you consume mentally becomes your thinking. So feed your mind with ideas that strengthen you, not weaken you. Understand that changing your mindset takes time, but every new thought you practice builds a stronger mental foundation. Moving forward, your environment becomes another critical factor in your transformation. Whether you notice it or not, your surroundings influence your behavior constantly. If you remain in the same environment filled with distractions, negativity, and unproductive patterns, change becomes difficult. But when you adjust your environment, you make growth easier. Even simple changes like organizing your workspace, reducing distractions, or limiting negative influences can significantly improve your focus. The people around you also play a major role. You naturally absorb the mindset and habits of those you spend time with. If you're surrounded by people who lack direction or discipline, it becomes harder to stay focused. But if you're around individuals who are growing, you'll feel encouraged to grow as well. Sometimes, growth requires creating distance from certain influences, not out of negativity, but out of respect for your future. A powerful idea to remember is that you don't rise to your goals, you fall to your environment, so shape your environment wisely. Now let's talk about discipline, the true driver of long-term change. Motivation may inspire you to start, but discipline is what keeps you going. Motivation fades, but discipline remains. It's about taking action even when you don't feel like it, staying consistent even when it's difficult, and continuing even when results are not immediately visible. Your future is built on what you do repeatedly, not occasionally. When you rely on motivation, your effort becomes inconsistent, but when you build discipline, your progress becomes steady. Discipline strengthens over time like a muscle, and eventually what once felt difficult becomes natural. It also builds self respect because every time you keep a promise to yourself, your confidence grows. Consistency is the key here because real change doesn't happen instantly, it happens gradually through repeated effort. Finally, the deepest level of transformation comes from changing your identity. At the core, your actions are driven by who you believe you are. If you believe you are lazy, your actions will reflect that. If you believe you are disciplined, your behavior will align with it. Many people are living based on an outdated identity shaped by past experiences or limiting beliefs. But your identity is not permanent, it can be redesigned. Start by deciding who you want to become, then think, act, and behave like that person starting today. Even if it feels unfamiliar at first, repetition will make it natural over time. Every action you take strengthens your new identity. Pay attention to how you speak to yourself because your words reinforce your beliefs. Replace limiting statements with empowering ones that support your growth. Over time, you will stop trying to become that person because you will already be that person. And when your identity shifts, everything else follows naturally. So, the journey of becoming a new person is not about waiting for change, it is about creating it. It is about transforming your habits, strengthening your mindset, controlling your environment, building discipline, and redefining your identity. Your old self created your current life, but your new self will create your future. And the most important question you can ask yourself right now is simple: who are you choosing to become starting today?